Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the new NVIDIA app, set it up the right way, and walk you through all its features, including driver updates, game optimization, and ShadowPlay. Let's get started. Head over to the official NVIDIA app website. The link is in the description below. Click on Download, and once the file finishes downloading, go ahead and run the installer. You'll be greeted with the usual setup screen. Accept the terms and conditions, and then hit Continue to move forward. Now it's time to choose your driver type. You'll see two options: Game Ready Drivers, GRD. These are optimized for the latest games and get frequent updates tailored for new titles, ideal if you're primarily gaming. Studio Drivers, SD. These are designed more for creators who use professional software like Blender, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere, and so on. They focus more on stability than the latest updates. Since this video is more focused on gaming performance, I'll go with Game Ready Drivers. Select the one that fits your needs, then click Next. Once you've chosen your driver type, the installer will show you a couple of optional features: Optimize Games and Creative Apps. This keeps your games and apps running smoothly by automatically applying optimal settings based on your hardware. It's usually a good idea to leave this turned on. Enable NVIDIA Overlay. This gives you access to some really useful features like ShadowPlay for recording gameplay, game filters to enhance visuals, and quick access tools like screenshots and performance stats. Make your selections here. I recommend keeping both enabled for the best experience, and then click Done. That's it. You're all set up. Welcome to the new NVIDIA app. Now let's take a look at the Drivers tab, one of the most important sections in the NVIDIA app. This is where you can check for the latest driver updates, easily switch between Game Ready and Studio drivers depending on what you're using your PC for, and make sure your system is always running the most optimized and stable version of the GPU software. If you ever run into performance issues or bugs in games or creative apps, checking for a driver update here is a great first step. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and check out my other NVIDIA videos linked below. Until next time, have a nice day.